Cayenne pepper is a natural healer of headaches. Ginger is a natural healer of stomach aches. Onions are a natural healer of asthma. Garlic is a natural healer of the common cold. Cranberries are a natural healer of bladder infections. Blueberries are a natural healer of brain fog. Cinnamon is a natural healer of diabetes. Turmeric is a natural healer of inflammation. Mint is a natural healer of indigestion. Basil is a natural healer of stress. Peppermint is a natural healer of migraines. Rosemary is a natural healer of memory loss. Thyme is a natural healer of respiratory issues. Sage is a natural healer of sore throats. Cloves are a natural healer of toothaches. Elderberry is a natural healer of flu symptoms. Chamomile is a natural healer of anxiety. Lemon balm is a natural healer of insomnia. If nature didn't make it, don't take it.